Okay, next we're going to make our cioppino, lazy man's cioppino, with clams, shrimp, roasted sea bass, and calamari. And if you have mussels in Singapore, please use mussels. I couldn't find any here. We have 2 pans for this pickup. We're going to have 1 pan to sear your fish, preferably non-stick. You could also do the fish on the grill if you prefer, but it has to be done so you get crispy skin. And then you have a pan for your cioppino base. Start with your seasoned branzino fillet into a hot pan. A little bit more oil if you need. While that's going, I'm going to add my sliced garlic into my cioppino pot. Before your garlic browns, you're going to then add your roasted tomato that's in the recipe. It's going to hiss and sizzle a little bit. Don't worry about that. As long as it doesn't flame up the pan, you're good. Cook all the juice out of the tomato. And allow it to dry out a little bit. This all happens very quickly. In your cioppino pan, before anything burns, go ahead and add a couple ounces. Add your wine and reduce it out. I would say reduce the wine all the way. Make sure your fish back here is getting nice and crispy. I use one of these, it's called a chef press, to make sure that my fish is getting crispy. Branzino can take a lot of heat on the skin. Don't be afraid of burning it. You'll notice that the sides of the fish start to get golden brown. That's when you know you're getting crispy. But right now, on our cioppino pot, our wine is reduced almost all the way to sec or dry. At this point, we're going to add your base cioppino mix. All your seafood. And you're going to cover it. This all comes together in about 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, when you see our fish is almost completely opaque on the top. Just going to flip it over for literally 10 seconds. Beautiful crispy skin. Okay. Put it off to the side. Then Then we're gonna check out our cioppino, which is looking wonderful. Add our herbs. Remove it from the heat. And also add our olive oil. And at this point, we're going to go directly to the plate. Okay. Okay, so we're going to spoon out our seafood into a nice decorative bowl. Make it really beautiful. Kind of pile it right in the middle. This is for 2 portions, not for 1, so I'm going to leave some seafood in the bowl. Then you're going to pour over your jus to make it soupy. You're going to then finish with your bass, a couple pieces of fennel leaf, and a nice grilled piece of bread. And that's it.